Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook corn dogs in a garden. First, select a safe, flat area for your cooking station, ensuring it is at least 10 feet away from any plants or structures. You will also need to have immediate access to a water source and a fire extinguisher for safety. Prepare your portable stove and all necessary utensils on a stable, heat-resistant surface. Next, let's talk about our fresh ingredients, enhancing our corn dog experience with a garden twist. Harvest some sweet corn and a handful of fresh herbs like chives or basil directly from your beds. These will add wonderful flavor to your homemade batter. Combine your dry ingredients like cornmeal and flour, then mix in your garden goodies with milk and eggs, creating a rich, smooth consistency. Now, let's assemble these delicious treats with care. Start by patting each hot dog thoroughly dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for the batter to stick well. Gently insert a wooden skewer about halfway into each hot dog, leaving enough room to hold them comfortably. Carefully dip each skewered hot dog into your thick, homemade batter, ensuring it is completely coated from end to end. Cooking outdoors requires attention to safety and temperature. Heat at least 3 inches of vegetable oil in a sturdy, deep pot over your portable burner to exactly 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower 1 or 2 batter-coated corn dogs into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they achieve a beautiful, golden brown color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.